This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christy Imperio. Welcome to 271 Whitetail Loop, one of 16 in the circle with paved roads and walking sidewalks. Looking for brand new? Then look no further. This beautiful 4-bedroom 3-bath home has a large open concept floor plan with living and family room. Spacious bedrooms with lots of natural sunlight, fully landscaped yard, all stainless high-end appliances. Quartz countertops. Get inside and take a look, a great place to be, your new home. Close to school, border and I-5. For more information, review the details below.